Listen and practice speaking skills. Good morning, Chris. How did you sleep?
Morning, Emma. Like a log. How about you?
Not bad. Had the weirdest dream about flying elephants.
Flying elephants? That's a new one. So, any plans for the day?
Just work and grocery shopping. You?
Meetings and a trip to the gym. Same old.
Chris, I heard you're working on a new project. How's that going?
It's a bit challenging, but I'm learning a lot. How about your project?
Stressful, but I'm managing. By the way, did you see the email about the team building event next week?
Yeah, I did. Bowling, right? Count me in. It's been ages since I went bowling.
Perfect. It's going to be a blast. Chris, I've heard about this new Mexican place. Wanna give it a shot?
Sure, why not? I could use some spice in my life.
Spice it is then. By the way, have you tried any new restaurants lately?
Not really. Been sticking to my usual spots. Anything you'd recommend?
There's this cozy Italian place downtown. Their pasta is to die for.
Italian it is for dinner, then. I'm sold.
Chris, I'm thinking of trying that new spin class tonight. Interested?
Spin class. You're braver than I am. But sure, I'll give it a shot.
It's all about the cardio, my friend. We'll see who survives.
Challenge accepted.
That spin class was intense, right?
I might not be able to feel my legs tomorrow, but it was fun. Thanks for dragging me into it.
Anytime, Chris. So, what's the plan for the rest of the evening?
Probably just Netflix and chill. You?
Same here. Maybe catch up on that new series everyone's talking about. Chris, any exciting plans for the weekend?
Not really. Might catch up on sleep and do some grocery shopping.
I was thinking of a movie night on Saturday. Interested?
Absolutely. Which movie are we watching?
How about that new action comedy everyone's raving about?
Sounds good. Count me in.
Jake. It's been ages. How have you been?
Olivia. I've been good, the usual hustle. How about you?
Same here. Work, life, the whole shebang. But hey, we finally managed to find time for coffee.
About time. So, what's new? Any exciting developments in the world of Olivia?
Well, I started a blog. It's a mishmash of travel stories, book reviews, and a bit of my random musings.
That sounds awesome. I'll be your first subscriber. What made you start a blog?
Just felt like I needed an outlet for all the chaos in my head. Plus, I love sharing stories. Speaking of which, how's the photography business?
Booming, surprisingly. I even did a shoot for a local magazine. Never saw that coming.
That's fantastic. Your passion for photography is truly paying off. By the way, have you tried the new almond croissants here? They're divine.
Not yet. I'm a creature of habit with my usual black coffee. But I'm open to culinary adventures.
So, any exciting travel plans on the horizon?
Not at the moment. The business has been keeping me tied down. But I live vicariously through your blog.
Well, you're welcome to join my next adventure. Maybe a weekend getaway?
Count me in. I could use a break from the city chaos. By the way, did you catch up with Lisa lately?
Yeah, we had a movie night last weekend. She's doing well, starting a new venture in event planning.
That's Lisa for you, always on the move. We should plan a reunion with the old gang.
That's a brilliant idea. I miss those carefree days. We could meet at the park or something.
Perfect. I'll start a group chat and see who's up for it. And hey, how's your family?
They're good. Mom is still trying to set me up on blind dates. The usual.
Some things never change. But who knows, maybe one of those blind dates will be the one.
Ah, the eternal optimist. But hey, stranger things have happened.
You never know. Love can be found in the most unexpected places. Anyway, what's your plan for the rest of the day?
Not much. Probably going to head home, catch up on some reading. You?
I have a photo shoot later in the day. The life of a photographer, always chasing the perfect shot.
Well, here's to chasing dreams and catching up with old friends.